Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to my chat session. So today is Monday, March 2nd. I'm just getting home. It is 6:57. I'm just walking through the door. What I'm going to do is come in and cook me some dinner real quick. I think what I'm going to do is just make me some nachos. And I'll bring you guys along. It's just going to be a quick meal. I don't have all the ingredients that you would make for like a nice old nacho platter, but I'm going to make it work with what I got. I just wanted to come in and do some quick, simple, easy. And then what I'm going to do is do a haul for you guys. Like I said, it's 6:57 now. Let me see. Oh, let me show you guys the ingredients that I have. I got the chips, some refried vegetarian beans. This is the turkey I'm going to use. The reason why I'm doing nachos so quick is because I think I took this meat out the other day and I need to go in and cook it today. And I'm not really too much in the mood for like doing like a meal. I just want to do something quick. I got some peach mango salsa, some sour cream. Of course, I got some cheese. So, I think what I'm gonna do is cut up a little red onion and saute that, and cut up one pepper and saute that in the meat, just to give it a little flavor and crunch, besides just the little taco seasoning. And here go my taco seasoning. So I'm going to whip this up real quick, you guys. I'm going to show you guys. And yeah, so let's get to it. I made my meal in 20 minutes. You can't beat that. You can't beat that at all. Make sure I get some peppers and onions in there, cheese. Get some refried beans in there. Sour cream. And my salsa. Okay, you guys, there you have it. It's 7:20. Now, I started making this meal at 6:57, so I actually made dinner in 22 minutes. You can't beat that. So I'm going to call this my 22-minute nachos. Get ready to enjoy. Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to eat my 22-minute nachos here. Let me taste one. Just see what we got going on here. Okay, not bad. And then the sour cream a little cold. And the mango a little bit cold, but mango sauce a little cold. And then with this meat. Trying to get all of it on there. Look good, guys. Yeah, that's good. 22 minutes. This is good. I'm gonna go ahead and finish stuffing my face and eat this, and I'll check back with you guys in a minute. My chat partners, welcome back. Got done eating my nachos. So now what I'm going to do, this is just a little brief haul that I'm going to do. What's up with your face? Your hair sticking up. You got to be camera ready, princess. You can't have your hair just sticking all up. Anyway, I'm going to do a brief haul for you guys. Okay, so I went to TJ Maxx on Sunday. And like I was telling you guys, it's going to be for a goodie bag that I'm going to do for my little vacation I'm getting ready to go on in a couple of weeks with my mom and daughter. By the time this video upload, they'll be I got their gifts. And first thing I got from TJ Maxx, I got this for myself. It's the L'Oreal Skin Expert Paris Pure Clay Mask. Purify and mattify. And it says 3 pure clays elliptis. This was $4.99. Decided to try this mask on my other mask. I'm almost done with my Shea Moisture mask and my orange mask I got from Avon. I'm almost done with those, so I need another one, and I want to try this one. Draw out build-up of impurities, dirt, and oils. Absorb impurities and unclog pores. Reduce excess shine. Refresh and allow skin to breathe. So this is what this mask says it will do. I also got me some St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. This was $2.99. And I was thinking that I might do this like maybe twice a week or so. Because like I said before in my previous videos, I have deep pores and I have like blackheads and stuff like that. And I feel like this will help. I'll probably start off using it once a week and then just see how it does. So what I think I'm going to do is when I use the tea tree to clean my face every day, I think, like I said, once a week, I'm going to use this as a good exfoliator. And then I'll use the mask like twice a week, like I normally do with my other mask. And I also bought these shoes here. These shoes were $20. And they just some slide-in shoes. I actually like wearing these type of shoes because they're comfortable. I actually have on a pair now, which is a green pair that I have. So I bought the beige ones. I don't know what brand this is. It's just, I don't know. It's no brand. It's just $20. And I got these Steve Maddens, and I have a pair of black ones. They're not Steve Maddens. I think I got them from Rue 21. I got a pair of black ones, and I got a pair of white ones. The white ones I haven't worn yet. But when I got them, it was 2 for $15. Or buy one, and it was like $10, and the next pair of these $5. But I like those kind of shoes because they, like I said, I don't know how to walk in heels. And if I do anything, I'll do a wedge. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the haul for Ross. So I got these little clip-ins right here. And it is 2, 4, 6 of these, and they were only $2.99. So what I think I'm going to do is split these between me and my mom and my daughter. 2 of them, like these 2 are the same, and this one is a black one and a bronze one. So yeah, I probably more than likely split these with my daughter because my mom, she don't wear stuff like this on her head. But 6 of these were $2.99. They're real cute, just to keep your hair up. Got me some scrunchies. These was $3.99. And I got this little cosmetic bag, and this is what I'm going to use. This was only $2.99. I got this Dove Silky Nourishment for normal skin. It's just like a cream. And I got Tea Tree Shea Moisturizing Body Lotion. Got coconut lime. So I'll probably give that one to my mom. And then this one is the same thing. It's Shea Moisturizing Body Lotion Almond and Honey by Tea Tree. It's just a different fragrance, that's all. Got this Gentle Smoothing Oatmeal Scrubbing Mask. I'll probably get this for my daughter. I'll probably give that to her. And this was only $2.99. Got these hair clips. They was reduced to $1.99, so I'm going to give this to my daughter as well. And then I found this little bag here that I'm going to give my daughter. It's called the Sack. That's the brand of the bag. And I bought this little purse right here. This was only $20. I got this purse for me. It's just that it does zip in the middle, and I got 2 compartments that I can put stuff in. And it got some little pockets here. 3 gift bags for $2.99. So these are the gift bags I'm going to use to put their items in. I have to finish going shopping and getting them a couple of more items. And I also bought this little plant right here. Isn't this the cutest thing, you guys? $10.99. I might, you can come right here. I might put, but isn't it pretty? I might give it to my mom. Hey guys, so that's it for my little haul. My shoes was $20. That's it, $30 total at TJ Maxx. What place you know you can go get face masks, facial wash, and shoes for $30? I think I'm gonna take the rest of them nachos to my lunch tomorrow. I'll probably check back in with you guys a little bit later.